Ali, wake up. The sun is up. Say, Ali, wake up. Ali, 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 Ali is there. Ali is there. Ali, wake up. Say, you have to say, Ali, wake up. You have to say, Ali. Say, Ali, wake up. Morning, Kuya Nasri. You have your things ready for school. You don't need anything anymore? Because we can go to Quality and pick some things if you need some. Chico? 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 Chico, wait! Chico, wait! Chicoleta? Ali, we go. Ipaksit-paksit ni Chico akong wall, guys. Tanawa, oh. Marag siya na ba ang gabayad sa renovate? Sana all. What did you say, anak? You said something? I'm not, what? You're not my mom?
Yeah, because she does not mean that night.
You will not be sad if you don't have a mom. Let's go have breakfast na. With Kuya Nasri and Muhammad Ali. Giga. And for you, what's your name? What's your name?
Muhammad Ali.
No! Sabi ka lang, Muhammad Ali. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. Okay, sorry. The first one to shower. Come, remove diaper. Chico is going to use the toilet. Tell mommy if you want to use the what? Toilet, okay? Toilet and pee in the toilet, okay? This one put in the trash.
Yeah?
Trash. Chico, pee in the toilet. Very good. Okay? Okay. Now shower na kayo. You have eye booger. Shower with Kuya Nasri with bubbles. Come, we prepare. Come, we prepare. We prepare? So, come. Then we pee in the toilet. Very good. Kasi guys, potty training na si Chico. Potty training na si Chico ngayon kasi mag 2 years old na siya ngayong October. So, kailangan matuto na siyang gumamit ng toilet para sa ihi at magpupo. So, the past 3 days, very successful kami pag hinahawakan niya na yung kanyang harapan. Ibig sabihin, he wants to pee. Then also, kapag naririnig ko na parang tahimik siya or he was trying to push something, ibig sabihin gusto niya mag number 2. So far, so good naman. Pero ngayon nag-fail siya, nakalimutan niya siguro. Pa-remind ko na lang. No. Everyone is resting on a Sunday. Let's not disturb their peace. Let me try. Try natin to. Do you know that this one is anti-cancer? You have very many. But you're giving me, look at these ones. They are already dead. They're dying. Until you go down there and get. You will get like 5 bags. Alright. So, ito yung gusto ko na passion fruit, yung malaki. Kasi medyo mas marami siyang juice. At mas masarap siya gawing juice. Nice. Healthy. Chico, you... I was looking and it looks like my son. You... What are you doing there? Huh? This is your house. Auntie? So... Okay. Nagtatrabaho ako sa computer habang ang mga bata ay nanonood ng TV dahil ngayon ay alas 12 ng tanghali dito sa Uganda. So, nag-aantay lang sila ng lunch. Ako naman nagtatapos ng trabaho sa computer. Ayun. At para akong merong trangkaso, guys, kasi dinalhan nila ako dito ng passion fruit na natanggal na sa kanyang balat. At parang nagkikrave ako ng asin. sa lahat ng i-crave asin, sana lahat mag-crave, low maintenance. So, merong asin. And then, mamaya, i-check ko kung anong nagaganap dun sa labas. Actually, ngayon pwede kasi patapos na yung aking work. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Check natin ang mga kiddos. Pero, bago ang all, tikman natin tong passion fruit together. Once again, ang passion fruit nila dito ay iba-ibang variety. Merong maliit, merong malaki, merong paikot-ikot. Hindi talaga siya maasim. And you know, guys, para ma-encourage tayo kumain ng prutas at gulay, lagi nyo i-check yung benefit. So, right now, open tayo sa computer. Benefit of passion fruit. Kasi na-encourage ako kumain ng mga prutas at gulay. Sarap. Okay, number 1 na gustong-gusto ko is yung antioxidant na lilinis yung katawan natin. Keeps your skin hydrated. Kita nyo naman siguro kung gaano katuyot yung pagkatao ko. Ay, ganun katuyot ang aking. Yes? You want to eat? You hi, say hi.
Hi.
Here, in the phone.
Hi.
Alright. You get passion fruit. Uncle Joseph will give you. Oh, you bring that one. It's already empty. So, I encourage my kids to do the same. Pagdating sa prutas at gulay, hindi talaga ako nagtitipid. Lalo na pag mga bata mismo yung naghahanap. So again, passion fruit keeps our skin hydrated. So kung tuyong-tuyo na yung inyong mga katawan, lupa, ang inyong kaluluwa, hindi nyo kailangan ng boyfriend, kailangan nyo ng passion fruit. Yahoo! Boost your immune system. So kung lagi kayo nagkakasakit at lagi kayo naghahanap ng vitamins na foundation ng katawan ninyo, why not try the most natural way? Relieves constipation. Sa mga ginatubol dira, mauna na siya ang pinaka-easiest way na i-explain na ako sa inyo from English to Tagalog. Sa mga ginatubol dyan, mag-passion fruit kayo para madali yung paglabas ng inyong churvalu. Improves blood circulation. Sa mga yung mga dugo dyan na nakastack up. Passion fruit, ayun. Aids in digestion. Mahirap pagka mahina ang inyong metabolism, hindi kayo mabilis mag-digest, masarap din tong passion fruit. Of course, improves bone health. So, meron tayo sa atin dito no naman, masasakit na yung tuhod, masasakit na yung mga kasuan, katulad sa akin, masakit yung likod ko. Masarap yung passion fruit. So, best way all the time, kung ayaw nyong kumain ito na puro, pwede nyo siyang gawing fresh juice. Iba talaga yung satisfaction pag hinahanap mo yung lasa, no? Tapos natikman mo yung parang, Lord, pwede nyo na akong kunin. So, let's go outside and see what they're doing. Oh, guys, nandito din si Kulot. Wait, this is our kid. The street smart. Kahit saan makasurvive. Let's ask Joseph, by the way, because they are asking what is Joseph's plan when Auntie and Madam is not there. They want to know what's going to happen with Joseph. He doesn't want to go live. He doesn't want to go live. Kayo ba? No, not yet done. You have to finish the juice. It's good for you. Put in the mouth. Wow, mama, nice. Ay, sorry. Let me get that one. The seeds are good. Okay. So, nagbili ako ng 5 bag ng passion fruit kasi, like I said, passion fruit is superfood. Not only for adults but for kids. For everyone. Meron din kaming pinya galing sa farm. Maraming salamat sa tatay ng mga anak ko na pinupuno kami ng pinya. Maliliit lang itong bunga ng pinya. Then, meron kaming passion fruit. Ayan, binabalatan ni Joseph. So, huhugasan niya muna and then, babalatan. Sorry, tatanggalin yung kanyang flesh. Tapos, isustore namin sa fridge. Ito mismong flesh. Uy, Joseph, make sure you empty the shells properly. Because every shillings count. Don't laugh on my passion fruit because the saliva will go there. Look. You see, guys? So, this one, natanggal na ni Joseph. Joseph, you have to remove the flesh. Auntie, oh, look at this work, oh. Auntie, look at this.
That is what we need now for your living.
Yes, they need to be clean and empty. Auntie, oh, look, oh.
Joseph. You're wasting.
No, Joseph, take your time. Why are you in a hurry? No, this is not acceptable. Look at that.
Let them all go in.
Yes, all of them. Not this one. It should be clean at least like this. Joseph, it should be like this when you finish, please. You know this, every seed makes Auntie Christine young. Yes. You see, this one is antioxidant. It will make people young. And you are just throwing them. That's the last one I'm going to see. Yes, like that. Yes. You want one more? Give him one. Give him that one. That one.
That one which one was open the same like.
Yeah, sit down there so you can eat properly. Sit there. Sit. This one is a very good food, Joseph. Please make sure it's empty. Get this one, oh. Put this one at least back on that thing. Okay, so while Joseph is opening passion fruit, let's ask him because I want to open this. No, stay there. Okay, let's ask Joseph so we can remove this question out of the equation. They are asking Joseph, are you ready for the question?
I'm always ready.
Okay. Oba, we talk later. Well, if you're not opening my passion fruit. Okay, later. So you have to be ready with your answer. We will give you time because your fans are very curious about your plans for marriage. Not marriage, but sorry. How will he survive Uganda after this?
Without me.
Okay.
Without Auntie Christine.
No, without Madam Christine.
Alright. So we will finish this one first, guys. Then we will talk later. Yes. Sabi ko kay Joseph, ubusin niya lahat. Ganyan. Dapat puti na lang yung natira. Malinis yung kamay ni Joseph, guys, ha. I know people will say let him wear gloves. It's okay as long as the hands are clean. Wow, look at that, guys. Very rich. Look at that. So, yung isang bag pala nito ay 10,000 Ugandan shillings or around 120 pesos. Bumili ako ng 5 bags. Kasi Auntie Christine and I, we need to look young. So, we have to eat passion fruit. That is our secret. Charot. Let me help you. Let me help. Grabe nga insert ng imodong ba? Hasta liog. Uy, marunong na talaga si Chico magamit ng toilet, guys. Sabi niya sa akin, ma'am, please help. Gusto niya daw mag-ihi. Tapos ngayon, binigyan siya ng passion fruit. Sabi niya, give me spoon. Ba't ang dami yung mga muta? Guys, ang mga investment niyo sa buhay, mga muta. Yahoo! Yummy? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
This one will enjoy Philippines. See you guys. See you everyone who was inviting us. We are going to see you. Chico is coming for you. Chico loves to eat, so be ready. Wow. Passion fruit, guys, ha, from the shell to the mouth. Wow. I'm so proud of you, anak. Keep it up. So proud of you. Wow. Is it sour?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sour.
Sour, eh? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I help you or you can do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that, Chico?
Banana.
That's not banana. That's talong. Say talong.
Hello.
Aha. Oh. Okay, it's not banana. Banana is yellow.
Hello.
This one is purple.
Purple.
It's called talong.
Hello.
And how about this? What's this one? What's that? Pineapple. Say pinya. Pinya.
Pina.
Wala gyud malugi ani amo ang insert, guys. Guys, wala malugi ani among insert.
Apple.
Kutob, kuto-kuto. No, that's pineapple.
Apple.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Ah, I cut for you?
Cut.
I cut.
Yeah.
Okay. Say yes, please.
B.
Okay, give me one. Bring for me. Bring for me one.
One.
Give me.
Nine.
Carry one and bring for me in the kitchen. Come on. This one. Carry for me in the kitchen.
Okay.
Hold. Stand up. Come. Bring in the kitchen. It's like your head. Come. Come here. Oh. Rest day muna. Rest day. Give to mama. Thank you. I cut for you.
Yeah.
All right. Say yes, please.
Yes, please.
Nakakatuwa si Kulot, guys. Nagtatrabaho ako, lumapit siya. Sabi niya, kulang daw yung kanin niya. Gutom na gutom. Nag-breakfast naman siya. He wants more. Rice. Fresh passion fruit with salt. Kambal gyud sa laway, guys. Pure. Walay halong atik. Walay halong gugma. Closer.
Please.
Mami lang, oh.
Mom.
No, not fair.
No, fair.
Not fair. You remove my notebook. Not fair. Huh. Come, Kalpi. Huh. Not fair, Chico.
Fair.
Not fair.
Fair.
Look at your pants up to your liog. Your pants is up to your liog and you cut my notebook like that? Not fair. Yes? Let me see. But that's my shoes. I remove? I remove?
No.
That's mine.
Mine.
No, mine.
Mine.
Mine, give it back.
No.
Ali, I forgot to ask you, what was your favorite game yesterday at Daddy's family day?
The golf.
You like the golf? I did not even see you there. I saw you at the bouncing castle.
And then I went to the golf place. And then I went to a bow and arrow place.
I did not see you. I just saw you in bouncing castle.
And then I went to the bouncing castle. I went to chess
Yeah.
and snakes and ladders.
And did you meet new friends? What's the name?
I still met the friends I met.
Last time.
Yeah, last time.
Okay. And for food, did you like the food?
Yes,
What was your favorite food yesterday?
the rice and the spaghetti.
There was spaghetti?
Yes,
There was a spaghetti, Nasri?
the spaghetti.
What? I did not even see. How about Kalbi? Which game did you like yesterday?
The John Picasso, the painting, and the other games. The other games I know I did not.
You like the face paint.
Yeah, and I like the other games.
The bouncing castle.
No.
And Kuya Nasri, which one was your favorite game? Bow and arrows. I saw you playing there like for 4 hours, 3 hours. Even when it was raining. I think Chico's favorite was the... What was Chico's favorite? Anyone? The small house. The small castle. I saw him there. Ay, nagkulot na po di mong buhok diha. Nagkulot na po di mong utok diha. Wild ka karon. Not fair. Nanonood kami ni Ali ng Brett Maverick. Ali said he was climbing a coconut tree. Let's see.
I was climbing a coconut tree.
Who's that? Who's that coming? Taking Chico? Chico, why are you showering on my bed? Put that soap back where it should be. No. Nalo. Don't call. Naligo naman ni si Chico sa akong bed, oy. Kuha siyang sabon.
I'm going to mop Nazi.
Nazi's on the floor.
Auntie is going to mop Nazi.
You're going to mop Nazi.
Why are you opening your mouth? Sleep!
None. Lock.
Sleep.
Nilagay ko sila lahat dito sa kama para hindi may disturbo si Auntie sa trabaho. He's scared of Auntie when Auntie says sleep. Good thing Auntie is going with us to the Philippines where you are growing to be a good boy. Huh? Because Auntie will bring her chiboko. You think? You think Auntie will not bring her chiboko? In the van, he will bring the chiboko. In the plane, he will bring the chiboko. Chiboko, guys, is a Ugandan word for bunal or pamalo. Oh, you see? Sunod dahin siya kay Auntie, guys. Oh. Kabalo mo, ani kay Chico, taga-kanto, eh?
Mom.
Ha? Sukarap? Are you sukarap? Tiyo, 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 tiyo. Dance, Chico. Ready, go. Tiyo, 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 tiyo. No comment.
Only dance monkey is going to dance.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Mom.
Ay. Auntie, ready, go. Tiyo, 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 tiyo. Disco. Disco sa Sukarap, sa Kanto, sa Lagaw,
Mommy, can you give
Kanto sa Davao, Kanto sa Digos.
Let me see.
Sana all nagbabasa ng aklat. Ganyan kayong lumaki. You know what, guys? Sa sobrang panonood ko kay Brett Maverick, ako ay nagdi-dream na sana meron din akong lupa malapit sa dagat. Sana binili namin yan noon, 2 years old pa lang kami, mura pa lang siguro yung dagat land. Pero ngayon, ako, ang mahal-mahal na halos, parang imposibleng makabili, milyon-milyon na siguro. Sino ang may mga murang ano dyan, beach house, na bahay kubo for rent, guys? Yung pang isang buwan. Message naman kayo, yung meron ng mga lutuan, may mga kahoy pang luto. Magrenta kami ni Auntie ng ano, ng bahay malapit sa dagat. Yung mura lang, guys, para pasok sa budget. Magbili kami ng isda, magulay kami, magpaksiw, and magluto kami ng macaroni salad, and magsuba-suba, and magawa kami ng buko salad, buko juice. So, kung meron kayong alam dyan ng mga mura lang na mga... Kasi hindi namin kayang magbili ng lupa eh. Kasi magrenta lang tayo ng bahay malapit sa dagat. Para masaya ang buhay. Tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Yahoo! Kuya Nasri. Kuya Nasri, when I say tawanan mo ang iyong problema, you have to laugh. Ready? Okay, Ali first. Ali, when I say tawanan mo ang iyong problema, yeah, you just laugh. Ready, go. Tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Have a nice laugh. What's your laugh? What's your laugh? Tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Nasri, tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Okay, ready? Let Calby be the good one. Tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Ay, you are disturbing mommy's work. Alright guys, time check tayo. Alauna na at wala pa rin akong ligo. Oh, wag judgmental ang all. So anyway, andito ako sa kusina ngayon dahil I am craving for Filipino soft pandesal or Spanish bread. Kahit saan lang dyan sa dalawa ang gagawin ko or baka gawin ko lahat. Walang masama sa taong gutom. Anyway, you guys, andito ako at nakita ko itong one whole pot of goodness, superfood, passion fruit, all taken out of the shell, as you can see. So, ang gagawin ni auntie dito is gagawa siya ng juice, fresh fruit juice from passion fruit. At the same time, gagawa ako ng tinapay, perfect sa merienda naming mag-iina at ni Auntie Christine at ni Joseph. So, habang umalis si Joseph, bumili ng ingredients na wala ako, katulad ng breadcrumbs at ano pa nga yung wala ako? At palaman para sa Spanish bread. Ako'y magmamasa-masa na dito para tumubo na siya on time. Pero, hindi pa pala ako nakakain ng lunch. So, bago ang lahat at mabisi ang beauty ko sa kusina, ako'y kakain muna ng paniudto. Let's go!
Eternity later.
Alright, andito pa rin ako guys. And alam nyo naman, pag ako'y nagluluto, actually, na-realize ko na kapag nagluluto ako, mas gusto ko na tahimik. Kasi for me, it's therapeutic. Gusto ko na tahimik, gusto ko yung, nai-enjoy ko yung kada process. So, katulad ng buhay, minsan palpak, minsan successful, pumalpak yung aking tinapay. As you can see, ayan, hindi tumubo ang aking pandesal. So, ito ay magiging bato. Alam niyo yung bato na binibenta sa mga, sa mga bakery. Yung medyo may katigasan, for sure magiging bato to. Pero at least makakain pa rin. Sayang naman, di ba? Okay lang. Minsan kasi pag gumagawa ako ng tinapay, minsan natubo siya, minsan naman hindi. Pero tuloy ang buhay. Titikman natin mamaya pagkatapos nating i-bake. Siguro mga 12 to 15 minutes to sa oven. 180 degrees Celsius. Wala sa mood si Chico. Chico, stop! Alright. They said that there is no failure in life, only lessons. O, diba? May nakuha akong magandang bagay, inspiring na bagay sa mga video ni Brett. Nice. How many have you eaten now? Two. And Calby, how many have you eaten? I think 3. 3, yeah. So, kahit napalpak, guys, hindi natubo, hindi naman alam ng mga bata na palpak. So, walang palpak sa taong gutom. Yahoo! Okay. Nanonood lang kami ng Jessica Soho.